welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are all doing great, and in today's video I am cutting my bangs. I've literally never cut my own hair, and so lately I've been really bored with my hair. Can't I normally like keep doing something with my hair, so it keeps me motivated, it keeps me excited, but lately I just feel like it's just super dead. Like, I'm so bored with them, and so I wanted to try something new, and I've been wanting to get some sort of bangs or some sort of fringe, but I didn't have the guts to do it, just because I didn't know how I would look, because I haven't had bangs in like so many years. I think the last time I had it I was about like 12-13 years old. So yeah, so today I will be attempting to cut some bangs. So wish me luck and stay tuned to see if this is a success or if this is a total failure. So yes, let's just get right on with it. Okay, so I've just managed to do a parting, and I've basically taken this section out. It's not going to be too thick because obviously, like, the more hair I use, the thicker it's going to be, or the denser it's going to be, but I don't want it that thick, just in case if it doesn't work out. I don't want like a whole bunch of hair just piled up here and like not look in good shape, so I'm going to use a little bit. So now this is the difficult part. I'm gonna try to cut very little by little. I'm not gonna go too crazy with it, because your girl is not a professional. Okay guys, I'm really nervous. Okay, let's do this. So I'm just gonna chop this end part now. Okay, I did it, you guys, I did it. So I just basically chopped off the end. So now it's this long. So now my aim is to keep these outer strands of hair longer than the middle part. So what I'm going to do is I am going to just take some hair out and try to shorten these. Okay, I don't think you guys can see me chopping it off, but this is how it looks. And by the way, obviously my hair is naturally curly, so I'm gonna try to keep it longer than what it looks here, because when it's straightened, obviously it looks longer, but obviously when it's going to be like full on curly, it's going to be like 4 times shorter. So that is my aim as well. So far, not so bad, but let's not be too confident about it in case if I mess it up now. I'm gonna chop a little bit more, because right now it's very long. Not very long, but I want it a bit more shorter. So now I'm going to try and like trim this bit so that it kind of like curves. So I'm just gonna take my scissors and I'm just gonna try to like chop it off. Okay guys, so this is how it looks so far, and I think it's not bad at all. The only thing is this bit here, it's kind of too long. I just want it to like sit all up here, but in a way that when my hair is naturally curly, when it's not straightened, I don't want it to like reach up here or up here. I want it to still be here, so that's what I'm trying to do. I'm just going to try and make it a bit more shorter. Just gonna make this bit a bit more shorter as well. I think now it's fine. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna take like a tiny section from right in the middle, like that, and I'm gonna chop this off slightly, and I'm gonna chop this bit off now. So I took a very tiny section, and I'm just making it a bit shorter so it doesn't cover my eyes. And you guys, I think that is it. I am happy with how it turned out. It's not too bad. It's not bad at all. It is not a total disaster. But like obviously, like I can, like whenever I feel like okay this hair is too long, I can always just like work with it and like make it shorter. And you guys, I think that is it for this video. I think it turned out pretty good. Like I didn't expect it to be this way. Now it's just a matter of me getting comfortable with having a fringe or bangs, whatever you want to call it. It's because I haven't had it in like so long. I just need to get used to having hair here, obviously. And yeah, I think let me know what you guys think of this. And but obviously I'm not a professional, so I still need to like go over like a few bits and bobs here and there to make it the way it makes me feel more comfortable. Obviously I'm not a professional. I did watch quite a lot of videos on how to go about doing this at home, so if any of you guys attempt at doing this, make sure you do your research, you watch a lot of videos on how to go about doing this, and do not risk it if you're not too confident, or if you don't want to like play about with your hair. Then obviously my hair type is different, your hair type is different. You know what's going to suit you, and I think I'm excited to explore this look now. And if you guys have any questions, do comment down below so I can answer them for you guys. And obviously I'm not a professional. This is just me doing something that I learned off of watching others, and just basically trying it out and experimenting with whatever I can do. And if you guys enjoyed this look, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave me any comments or any suggestions of any sort of videos you guys would like me to do. And with that being said, this is it for this video. Take care guys, take care you guys. So follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my link in the description box below, and see you.